Hi YouTube, my name is JVS and I am the owner of this channel JVS World. It's all about travel with my mom, friends, and family.
Come. Hi.
Here's my channel CORL. My channel is not currently able to earn and I would like to make an appeal of my channel's monetization. I will choose option 1. I can prove to you guys that all my videos are originals. Here's the videos from my iPhone. I started to upload my videos when I went to Thornbury, Ontario and Blue Mountain. 1 hour 46 minutes away from my home with our family. The reason why I made this channel is to create good memories with my mom, cousins, aunt, and friends. It can boost mood, confidence, reduce stress, give us happiness, the satisfaction, and of course, help us build strong relationship with our family and friends. Also, I went to Niagara Falls with our family, 1 hour and 33 minutes away from home, and also to Wild Waterworks in Hamilton, Ontario. My next videos happen in Alaska Cruise last May 2025. It's a 7-day Alaska cruise. The Koningsdam cruise from Toronto. We flew to Vancouver on the 3rd of May 2025. Then from Vancouver, Canada, place we went to Juneau, Alaska. Then to Skagway, Alaska. We experienced the White Pass and Yukon Route Railway. And my favorite is the Glacier Bay National Preserve. Of course, it is located in Alaska, USA. We also went to Ketchikan Port of Alaska and going back to Vancouver. I took this video in Tenerife, Spain last July 2025. It's a whale and dolphin watching excursion and it's super amazing. This video also happened in Vigo, Spain last July 16, 2025. Here's the badges that I included in my channel. I use CapCut to edit my videos, add music, text, and some of the voice and sounds are originals. Paddle. Please give me a chance to grow and improve my channel. I do hope and pray that you will approve my channel, GVS World for monetization. Thank you and God bless everyone.